Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today a short video that takes a long time to cook. This is my smoked potatoes, and if you haven't had a smoked potato before, or you're missing out on something, believe me. Alright, let's get on with it. I've got my smoker going. I'm doing a slow smoke, just using a few little coals at the very far end of my smoker, and that way we're not keeping heat from actually really entering the smoke chamber itself. And I'm just going to add those little coals down, those little briquettes down, and I've got a little chimney underneath with coals continuing to light up. A nice little chunk of apple wood that's going in, and as you can see, I've loaded up my smoker. I've got ribs, I've got pork, garlic pork sausages, and I've got a couple of whole potatoes in the skin and all. Put those in, close the lid, and we're under 50 degrees, as you can see right there. Lots and lots of smoke coming out of the chimney, and that's exactly what we want. I'm going to smoke these little potatoes off for around about 2.5 hours, and I've added just a little bit, a couple more, bits of briquette and a couple more chunks of apple wood, and getting heavy smoke. Alright, I've left that about 2.5 hours ish or so, and if you're doing a quicker smoke, or if you're doing a brisket and going for it, well, these will work as well. But I'm going to just get the flavour into that real heavy smoke. I'm going to wrap those in foil, put those in the oven for around about 1 hour, and as you can see, Mrs. KP is taking those out, and they are beautifully roasted, and the smoke flavour is all entrapped. As I said, quick video, long time to cook. We've cooked these potatoes off for around about 3 to 3.5 hours, but I tell you what, the flavour is amazing. Did not expect the potato to smoke up so well. Cut those into little crisscrosses like that, and serve that up with some sour cream or even cottage cheese, and there you go. You've got KP's smoked potatoes. I'd love to see you try and make this one at home. If you've got a smoker, if you've got a barbecue that you can offset and slow cook, absolutely perfect. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment, love reading, and I love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn something a little bit more unique, a little bit different, like I'm learning with my smoker, you can learn with me. Well, need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button, and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my smoked potatoes with some sour cream, and I will catch you next time. Bye.